Hello friends.
I welcome you to my YouTube channel.
I hope you are well and live a happy life. And I pray to God that you live such a happy life.
Friends, do you want to earn dollars online without spending a single dollar?
So friends, as you know, I give you information about full-time job, part-time job, and how to work online from home. So this is a job I have brought for you today in which you can easily earn thousands of dollars without spending a single dollar. So let's move on to our laptop screen without any delay. First you have to use your web browser and type paid for article in the search bar. And to open a website with a paid for article. After opening the website, you will see something like this format. At the top you will see the paid for article written. Now all we have to do is click on the right and get pad to read the full details. After reading the full description, you have to register yourself by clicking on the register above and fulfilling their requirements. After registering, you have to log in yourself. Once logged in, you will see some formats like dashboard, feed, my article, and add article. All you have to do is click on the add article to open it. In the add article you have to write the title of the article in the title bar. In the category bar you have to select the categories to which your article belongs. In the summary bar you have to write the first 3 lines of your article. And in the content you have to write your article. In the choice file you have to provide photos related to your article. And write something for your viewer in the message river. And submit. Now the question arises that we do not know how to write an article and we do not have the content of any article. Don't worry, we have a solution to this problem. All you have to do now is type Pro News of Item in a new tab of your search browser and open the website. In the search bar of the website, you have to write the Make Money Online copyright article and open this article. At the bottom of this article, you will see 3 links with click here written on them. In fact, these links provide you with free copyright articles. Click on one of them. We click on it. As soon as we click on this link, we see a website open in a new tab. Here you will see many categories of PLR articles written. For example, if we want to write an article on @scene, we have to click on @scene and select the article of our choice. For example, if we want to write this article, we have to open the article by CL. We have to open the article by clicking on the title of this article and copy the complete article. Now the problem is that this article has to be written in a new article, meaning our article does not give a new copyright issue. So all you have to do is open a new tab in your browser and type in Online Plagiarism Remover. In fact, this website is a website in which you can remove the plagiarism of any article and you can turn the article into a new article. Now you have to copy and paste the article of which you want to end the plagiarism. In a few seconds it will turn your article into a new article. You have to copy and paste this new article into paid for article and you have to submit the article, then your article will go under review and your article will be approved very soon. I hope you like this informative video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel. Like the video and press the bell icon next to it so that you get timely notification. Thanks you.